I just went to go wash my chicken off, and now I'm just putting it off in a pan and finish to season it and stick it off in the oven. Right here you see me using seasoning. I'm using seasoning salt and garlic salt and some other mixed seasoning that give a little bit of spice.
Now the chicken is ready. We're gonna put some barbecue sauce on it. Sweet honey. Sorry, guys. Oh, I poured the juice out of the chicken. As you can see, there's nothing in there. I'm so different from my mama.
Yes. You make funny noises while you're putting it out.
I'm gonna pour a little bit of water in there, and I'm gonna shake it, and I'm gonna be back. Okay. I'm gonna pour the rest in here. And after you get all the barbecue sauce out of here. Sorry. Okay, now we're just gonna give it a stir. Well, you can't really stir it. Just put barbecue sauce on it. Yeah. There you go.
Oh!
You just ripped my skin off, man.
He bald?
There we go. I don't know how my mama really puts the barbecue sauce on there. I'm just ruining the chicken. Okay, anyway. We're the only ones that's eating it. Well, y'all can have some if you're traveling. But, yeah. And then after that, we're gonna put it back into the oven. Hey, be eating that. Holy crap, this is
Ready? So I'm just gonna place it on my plate.
Oh, guys, I did a good job with the chicken.
That's what I was gonna say. Me and my daughter both cooked the chicken.
Look at that beautiful chicken.
Yeah, it is beautiful.
Oh,
so here's our barbecue chicken off in the oven. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe at the bottom. Bye.